Hello again, folks. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and we've got another kind of a short, sweet one for you today. This is a Borg Warner 8-Track unit. It's out of a 68 Corvette, and it comes from my friends at Classic Rides in Denver, Colorado. Thank you so much, guys, for your business. And we're going to turn this puppy on and make sure it's just a standard repair job. So we're going to pop in some Neil Sedaka. Make sure we got both sides working. Balance control. Okay. Volume. Okay. Tone. Okay, go back to the unit. Alrighty, try another tape just to make sure we didn't get lucky. Okay, got some blank spot on that tape. There we are. Alrighty, and that's pretty much it. There's not much to test on a standalone 8-track unit, so that means I can get on to the next job and do the paperwork on this one first. Thanks everybody for watching and listening. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. My phone number for paying repair or conversion customers only, not for customers looking for parts or belts or cosmetics or knobs or things like that. I'm strictly a repair operation. My phone number is 928-533-9666. My website's in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thanks again for my friends at Classic Rides in Denver, North Carolina, and we'll see you guys next time.